Hello all, today's video is going to be about myself, who am I and how I started this updated sheet channel and how it works, everything. So I just thought let me give an introduction about myself. It has been a long almost 6 months something since I have started this YouTube channel, and I have some 700 something subscribers, people believing and watching our videos. So I thought let me explain who I am and how I started this, the purpose of this blog and this YouTube channel. Let's get into the video. So how could you call me? You can call me Vardhini. And what's my qualification? I have completed my MTech, and not now, I completed long before, then years before. Then yes, my these things were what to say, my even I forgot that my my god, why I did engineering, what to call that as, it was easy and nano electronics domain. What is that? I forgot. I'm so sorry. And yes, I did BTech ECE and MTech Nano Electronics. Then I worked in a company for 2 years, and that's it. Then I got married. I was born and brought up in Trichy, and my native is Kerala. Then my college was in Trichy only. So it was from Shastra University. Then job I was working, then I got married and I shifted to Mumbai. Yes, that's it. Then let me get into the main part about the updated sheet. So what is the updated sheet is about and why I started this, what's the purpose of the updated sheet. First, let me tell you how I started it. I'm someone who is into blogging. I love writing since childhood, and often I write something or the other in my diary. Then later it got into writing into computers. That is, I slowly started blogging. Okay, how to make it a main part? So something is into a serious business or something. I started doing that only by 2019. Actually, from 2019 I started writing blogging. Considering it to be something achievable, so with an aim to make it for women, with a passion to do something as with my blogging and my write-ups. So I just started it very casually. I started it in 2019. Then I couldn't proceed further because of some family situations. Then again during this lockdown I was free. By 2020 I started YouTube channel for the updated sheet. I thought of extending it, my blog, into a YouTube channel. Okay, what's the purpose of this is getting into it. It's peculiarly for girls, for women, even for senior citizen women's. So the main thing I'm targeting is what I felt like teaching women some basic things. This is not for very educated, not in the sense educated, for people who are very much aware. This is for some women who aren't aware of many steps, who aren't aware of Facebook, who aren't aware of using, who is educated, who could read English but aren't aware of much things in this world, whichever a woman should also know. In the sense to pay your bills, how to open a bank account, or how to file EB, or how to do some basic e-governance stuffs for your house. So I thought like teaching girls about it, because when I found doing everything very hard at the very first time. So I thought it would be easy if I do something like this. Ladies will be very useful. It will be very useful for ladies to do. They can learn from somewhere. So very basic stuff. I decided to teach through my blogs as well as my YouTube channel. I'm doing that. Yes, you can find in my channel as well as in my blogging about I will explain you whatever is inside my blog and as well as in this channel, and also some beauty tips I'm giving. It's not particularly for beauty, it's I'm giving some beauty tips. Then yes, I will explain you in detail, showing you my blog. The updated tree is especially for women. It's peculiar for girls, women, senior citizens, especially the females. So, what and all we cover here is about giving you the basic stuffs whichever you need to be aware of. That is the updated sheet. Be updated, like paying your EB bills, how to do that, and how to get a legal aid certificate. Example things I'm telling you: how to do Jeevan Praman for your parents, or even say senior citizen women's. You can do your own Jeevan Praman, submitting your life certificates for getting your pension. Such stuffs we are covering, and also beauty tips. So not just being beautiful. If we are updated and if we wore makeup, we can enhance our beauty more. And even if you are not beautiful, you will look beautiful. You can make yourself look beautiful through your makeups. So I'm giving you some tips also whichever I know, and I'm not a beautician. Then yes, I will explain you in detail, showing you my blog and this YouTube channel also. Here you yourself can see any of I will show too. You can go to my playlist and you can understand whatever topics I'm covering. Some topics you may find them silly, but it's only for those who are unaware of it. So there are many women who are able to read, write, but aren't aware of many stuffs. It's for such women. They need someone to teach them. So I thought, let me be someone like that. Then this is the purpose. And e-governance, actually e-governance, when coming to e-governance, I am giving you something or the other topics whichever comes to my mind. So if you want anything particularly, please comment to us or email us or request your queries. I will specially do those videos for you. And my target was especially only to do something in English, but I shifted to Malayalam, Hindi and Tamil only because for Jeevan Praman. So Jeevan Praman is something very useful for the old people to do from home. So when I got to know about doing from home Jeevan Praman, when I did it for my father with the help of my husband, so I thought it would be very useful for many elder persons at your home, that too during this lockdown. So I thought of doing it in every language to make it reach every people. So every language, in the sense whichever language I'm aware of. So for this my husband helps me. All the stuffs you can find me doing that. For doing that some e-governance stuffs, my husband helps me. He does this Malayalam, Hindi and Tamil talks and explains you the video. So you would be thinking, who is that guy doing that? There is a guy and a girl in this channel. Yes, he's my husband. He's helping me for those stuffs. And what else should I tell? So that's it. And also I conduct some contest for people who are interested in writing, short story writing. And initially I conducted it for a new year. I mean for Christmas. Yes, for Christmas I conducted, and some of the girls participated and they won. So they won vouchers. Then now for February 14 also I'm conducting some contest. Initially for writing love quotes. Then I conducted two contests. One writing love quotes, the another one is singing love songs, and we will upload it into our YouTube channel. So like this, so many contests are also yet to be conducted by me. So do follow me in Instagram, the Updated Tree Instagram page, and yes, you can also participate in the contest and prove your talent. Okay, then pardon me if I don't know, I'm just giving a pause and talking. It's because I don't have a script. I'm just talking out my mind. So adjust. Maybe I should do some scripting and I should talk. Just comment me how you feel about my talking. Then I will also change it. I'm just talking whatever comes to me. And then yes, because I can't be bugging something and I can't be coming and talking to you. Then okay, leave that aside. So way forward is I'm just I will be very happy if at least one girl learns something from my blog and YouTube channel. And yes, whatever you can comment to me, whatever you want. And also for e-governance videos, for e-governance videos, please comment to us whichever videos you require in whichever language in the sense we are aware of only these 3 languages. We aren't aware of other languages, so ask for us in Malayalam, Tamil and Hindi. We will do it for you. And Hindi, we didn't find any successful reach of our videos. Only Malayalam and Tamil were going good, and English is also going good. So anyhow, you can request us your queries. We will do it. If we know, we will do it for you. And main stuffs will be in English. Yes, whatever girls your queries you can ask. If I am aware, I will teach you. I will make you be updated too. So ladies, try to be a part of this updated She Club.